topping the long-awaited Invasion of Privacy album drop, rapper Cardi B made her Saturday Night Live debut, revealing an even bigger secret. Check out the slow camera pan during the performance of her new single, Be Careful, and there it is, a baby bump. Cardi B is officially a mom-to-be. It was actually her second song of the night. Earlier, she hit the bump under a flock of feathers. She also appeared in a digital short with cast member Aidy Bryant, keeping her baby news under wraps with the help of a black leather trench. And just about a month ago at the iHeartRadio Music Awards, Scarlett Toole hiding her growing belly. But the pregnancy rumors have been swirling for months. Fans asking on social media, is the 25-year-old expecting? Cardi responding, "No, I'm just getting fat. Let me get fat in peace." She's reportedly about 7 months along and could give birth in July. This will be Cardi B's first child with fiancé Offset. After the show, he tweeted, "Cardi and I looking forward to our next chapter together." And Cardi posted this pic with nothing but love on Facebook. Now that the news is out, Cardi says she feels free after months of hiding the pregnancy. And she has no plans of slowing down before she's due. Cardi's still expected to be at Coachella later this month, and she'll tour with Bruno Mars in September. Congratulations, Cardi. In the newsroom, I'm Meredith Gansman, Pix 11 News.